Hi friends, here Rajinikanth Excel Guru, and here I am going to share a solution of the query which has been sent by one of our friend in WhatsApp group to extract only numbers, and the text is already I posted in my previous video, and here for the number. Okay, so here I'm using Excel 2010 functions. Okay guys, not all those things, only Excel 2010 function. Here it is. First of all, what you have to do means you have to make the alphabets, characters and the numbers separately. Okay, in what way we have to do means you have to use mid of this comma row of indirect. I'm using Excel 2010 functions. Okay, because this function is, if you try Excel 2010 function, your brain will train more and more knowledge. It will gain more knowledge. Okay, for that reason, I will use only Excel 2010 function maximum times. And here length of this. Okay, close parenthesis, and close parenthesis, comma. And I want each and every character separately, so I am using number of characters 1. Okay, F9, see, it is separated each and every character. Okay, so we want only the numbers, but not the characters. The characters video already I posted in my YouTube video. You can go and check it in YouTube playlist. Okay, now, so here number is also in text. Observe guys, number is also in text. So what you have to do means you have to make numbers as a text to convert into a original numbers. It's a text numbers. Okay, so what I'll do means here I'll use double negative. So what will happen? Double negative is a mathematical operator, so it will convert text numbers into numbers and characters into value errors. Okay, because text into number, so it will not understand. For that reason, it is showing us a value error. Number, okay, number, okay, but number and text means it will not do any calculations, right? So here, what I'll do, I'll use if error, because I want only numbers. I want to remove this one, errors, comma, blank. Okay, if you find any error, remove that error and keep it a blank in place of error, F9. Okay, 2, 5. Okay, done. Now we have to make it join. Okay, 2, 5. Here observe guys, here in some place 2, 5 in middle of the value is the first, and it is randomly it was there. Okay, randomly it was there. So these two things okay, but if it is random, it will make so much complication. Okay, so one function I will use, it will work only 2010 licensed version. If it is not licensed to Microsoft Office, it will not having that function. That is concat. Close per. It's not an array function. Okay, it's not array function. It's a normal function only. It's not array. So you can use enters. Control D. Understood? It's very simple. It's not a big. And as a text, I already mentioned in YouTube playlist. You go today, and if you want that video, please let me know. I will keep it in description. Okay, thank you guys. And it is in text format. Left means text format. You have to convert into a right. Right means number. Left means text, because we are using text function. For that reason, number showing us in text. Plus 0, control enter. That's it. Okay guys, thank you guys.